All right. Market's just opened. I'm excited to have you here in the
Wild time.
our Treasure Hunt HQ, aka our trading floor.
I love it.
Watch any of those movies from the 80s and 90s, this trading floor is way better than what they had. Just a bunch of old guys screaming at each other, holding paper. I don't even know how they traded back then. So, Jeffy, what's your style?
I love the channel. Saw the first episode yesterday.
You know who actually called me?
Who?
Mom.
Oh,
And she's like, I loved it. I'm going to start trading. Yeah.
She's day
I
trading.
actually got to get her in here because she would be hilarious to trade with.
Yeah, runs in the family. Runs in the family.
Yeah. I feel like trading this way is just a little bit better than casino. Like in a casino, I feel like there actually is a skill that you can get better at doing this, but it's still a gamble. So
Yeah.
it's,
I mean, I'd say there's levels of degeneracy in the stock market. I feel like zero DTEs are the pinnacle, and then the longer position, usually the more kind of goes behind it. But
well, knock on wood, we've had, since the series started, 2 green days in a row.
it's pretty good.
Trading zeros.
Well, excited to be no losers yet, and here we are.
Yeah,
So just
yeah. We'll see. So don't break the streak.
Yeah. All right. Pressure's on. For me, I see it as if you buy. There's a few different ways to get exposure to oil, but if you do that, you have way more upside if things go to
Yeah.
hell and in the Gulf, and then if things best case scenario plays out, you'll probably lose a little bit. So
It actually reminds me a lot of our cousin who, when Brexit happened, it was kind of
Yeah.
the same thing. Markets had priced in that it wasn't going to happen. And so he put a massive bet on gold.
Yeah, exactly.
And I think, when Brexit did happen, because the thesis was the same. It was like, my upside potential is massive, and if nothing happens, it's already priced in.
Exactly.
So I'm either going to break even or lose a little bit. And I think he made like 100 grand like in one night because gold went up a ton when Brexit happened because there was just uncertainty and markets didn't know what to do with it. And anyways, so it's kind of like that's what it kind of reminds me of an asymmetric bet. I mean, that's what you're looking for as a trader.
Yeah.
And so you're buying the dip in oil.
Yeah. Every time it goes down, I am buying more of it.
Okay, and
the
not options, but
not options. I'm buying ETFs that hold the biggest oil producers from the U.S. because as the price of oil goes up, their cost is staying pretty much the same to produce oil, and so
but the demand worldwide for their product is
exactly. So it's their margins get way better, and right now everything is priced for perfection.
So I feel like the way you trade is probably the good way to trade. You're looking at you're looking at all of the factors. You're looking at the risk versus reward. You're looking at worldwide news. You're trying to like kind of almost gameplay like what would happen if certain things happen.
Yeah.
And then position yourself so that if it does happen, that you profit massively.
Exactly. So it's a longer term position. I've got a lot of conviction on it. It's let's call it a coin flip. I'd say the upside would be I'll double my entire position.
Okay.
The downside would be probably down 10%.
I mean, yeah, the only problem with I guess like trading, like, going long oil right now is that the person on the other side of that trade is the U.S. government.
Yeah.
It's like the entire power of the U.S. government and probably governments around the world are against that trade just because they don't want oil prices to increase because it's not good for anybody politically.
Yeah.
And so, if you go long oil, just know that you're betting that they're going to lose control at some point.
Yes.
I think I just got filled. 1 second.
Ooh. On the Qs?
On the Qs, yeah, long. Yeah, I did. So let me put a stop loss at break even. Oh, I can't. Idiot. I'm gonna have to do this manually. 244. So I got in at the bottom of this candle right here. Let's see here. What's going to happen?
Are you long or short?
Long. That's not good.
How many contracts?
Just 3. When it's this early in the morning, I try not to trade too many.
Yeah.
Just because it's so volatile. Yeah. So if it comes down to this trend line again, I might go long again. I might.
Are you already
get
out?
3 more. No.
Oh.
I would be out, but so I don't know how much time has to go by, but wait a second. 5. Okay. If I can get a pretty decent, see right here, I should have probably bought my other half of my position that I wanted right off that trend line. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens right here.
Still holding?
Yeah.
What are you at on it? No stop loss?
Well, so I don't know how long you have to wait, but you can't actually put in a market stop loss until like probably 8 o'clock for some reason. That's just the way that they.
Is that just Robinhood?
Yeah.
The platform.
Yeah. So it's pretty interesting to been trading because I've been trading by myself for so long that I'm just like used to being in the trenches every day by myself, and it's so fun to trade with other people and see how they do it. So like Will, who's in Mexico right now, he'll like get into a position and just hold it for hours, which is so crazy on zeros.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, we'll see what happens right here. We're kind of playing with VWAP again. We're just teasing it. So that's pretty good move. Yeah, so I have these rules that I've kind of developed over the last just while trading by myself that have saved me a lot. And there we go. Oh man, see, I should have doubled down right here because I'd be way in the money.
Yeah, nice. That was a nice candle right there.
All right, so I just took my first trade. It was just a baby trade. It was just 3 contracts.
First gold.
And made.
Ooh, up.
Yep, made what? Like $50. I just like starting the day with a win.
Hey,
come on.
$50.
Let me get some green, baby. Yeah. 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 So I mean, looking back at this trade right here. I got in right here when it kind of tested VWAP. It crashed down, and then I should have probably got. I'll mark it actually right here. So I wanted more than 3 contracts, but I just started a baby position. I should have bought 3 more right here, and then this would have been like probably $200 trade instead of 50. But
so the whole macro stuff is insane right now. So just to put it in perspective, Elon Musk made more money yesterday. His net worth increased more in one day than Jeff Bezos' entire net worth. We've never seen anything like this before. I think he's worth 1.3, 1.4 trillion now. So it's like we are closer to. He is $1 trillion above the richest man, the second richest man in the world, and the whole SpaceX. Actually, you should look at options for SpaceX because I think they open today.
Yeah.
And
yeah, I'll check it out.
If I had to guess,
Will actually texted me. He's like, "Hey," because he thinks that it's just crazy overvalued, which it is. But it's
it
like
doesn't matter.
You can't step in front of a train, or you're going to get absolutely smashed.
Well, I think part of the reason too is because right now they only have 5% of the shares out.
Yeah.
And so the amount of money you need to be able to move the price is way less right now.
Well, do you know who owns a lot of shares? Our friend Adam. Shout out to Adam. That freaking guy. I don't know. I mean, he's like one of our really best friends growing up down our street, but he was one of the first 100 employees at SpaceX.
Wow.
And I saw this article a couple days ago, and it was like 4,000 employees of SpaceX instantly millionaires after the IPO. And it was talking about how like even like the janitors and like the chefs have become millionaires because they're stock options.
Yeah.
So I screenshot it and I sent it to him. I was like, I hope you're one of the 4,000. He's like, dude. He's like, yeah, like many times over. And I was like, that's my boy right there.
Good for him.
So yeah, anyways, he retired. He's younger than me. He retired, and now he's sailing around the world for the next 5 years, which is what you should do if you're retired. On his boat.
Yeah, that's awesome. Now he has the SpaceX, what do you call it? The satellite thing.
Starlink.
The Starlink on his boat.
Oh yeah, No, his setup's awesome.
The main customer.
Yeah, he's it's cool. He actually had a Bon Voyage party like a year ago when he set out, and like every launch they get like a patch. kind of like NASA does.
Uh-huh.
And so he had a table just full of all the patches from SpaceX, all the Falcons, and because he helped design like the engineering process by which to like make sure the integrity of the rocket was healthy. I mean, it's crazy. He's a friggin' smart kid. And he's richer than we are. But I'm so stoked for him.
Yeah, good for him.
Yeah, he's crushed it. I mean, he's Tony Stark. He is. And I mean, how can you not just, you always want to see what he's up to next. I mean, you watch these podcasts and he's like teasing flying cars. I mean, and honestly, if anyone's doing it, it's him. Moon bases. I just hope that I'm alive for all this stuff because it's going to be, I mean, we're going to see some crazy stuff in our lifetime.
Yeah. The crazy thing is, I think that Elon becomes a decatrillionaire before we see another trillionaire.
You think?
Yes. Like,
you heard it here first. That is cool. I mean, that's quite the prediction.
It is insane. And I think his big
decatrillionaire before anyone else becomes a trillionaire.
Yeah.
I haven't thought about it that way, but that would be crazy. Oh wait, I just got filled right here. So
long or short?
Long. So right when it touched VWAP. So I wonder if I can put my stop loss at break even yet. Okay, 1. There we go. All right. When I'm in a trade, I get all quiet because
you're locked in.
I'm locked in.
No, as it should be.
I'll probably, let's see here. All right, so now the 9 is acting as resistance. So let me just see. See what happens here. Okay, another baby win.
50?
Let me look. Yeah, like $75.
All right, 125 on
you get enough little wins like that, they start adding up over the day.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I'm only trading 3 contracts. I should probably be trading more, but if we break below VWAP, I might go short today. It's the first time I'll go short on this series. But this market is just so buy the dip mentality that every time I go short, I regret it. So I honestly only look for longs, except for last week when it was just absolute insanity.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, the rule is, so yeah, I mean, these are kind of our rules over here. Number 1 rule is trend is your friend. And so if the trend is up, if we're above VWAP, then we don't go short ever. Because okay, so yeah, I mean, that was like a little baby move. I was right to sell it right here because I kind of had a feeling that we'd break below VWAP.
Sure.
So we'll see what happens.
Well, yeah, $125 now. I feel like you've got a couple free options you can let ride.
Yeah, that's a good way to look at it.
Yeah, playing with the house money.
House money, baby. Man, I'm just so scared to go short because.
Yeah,
I think I told
one
you.
Tweet.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my gosh, yeah. I think I told you that. Yeah, Will had like 3 or 4 contracts go to 1 cent, and Trump tweeted, and 3 minutes later he was up like $5,000. It was just absolute insanity. Like the whole market was up 3% in like 3 minutes. It was one of the craziest things I've ever seen. That was last Friday, I think. It was just nuts. Oh, what do we do here? We'll go up to VWAP. I'm scared to short this, honestly.
Yeah, so I guess as someone who doesn't trade the candles of, are you on like the
This is
1
the 1
minute?
minute, yeah.
So you're on the 1 minute. I think there's probably a lot of people that have never seen this before and don't really know the rationale, me included.
Yeah.
You'll talk about it a lot, but so the main rationale is just the trend is your friend. So essentially,
yeah,
Just ride momentum.
Exactly. I try to figure out, like where price is going, and so I've developed these rules to protect me. And so yeah, like VWAP is volume weighted average, and so that's what VWAP stands for. And I kind of use that as my trend indicator. So if price is above VWAP, that means that we're trending up, and if price is below VWAP, then we're trending down. So right here, I mean, we kind of tested VWAP, the line, and it's crazy how accurate this is. I think it's just because there's like millions of traders and probably even more money in AI bots and all sorts of stuff, and they all kind of like put in the same rules. So we're all kind of like following the same game plan.
Yeah.
And you can use that to kind of like form a strategy almost. And so the other one that I have, the other line is the 9 moving average, and for whatever reason, price really, especially like in trending markets, it respects it a ton. So like almost right here, like we came up and we kind of touched it and then we bounced off it. And this is all VWAP too. I mean, this is a pretty good short, but I'm trying to figure out whether to go long or short. And I keep going back and forth, which usually is not a good indicator of, well, just because you're on this show, you have to trade one contract. Just buy like one contract 0 DTE at some point.
Okay, let's see.
On the Qs, just so we're trading the same thing. We're looking at the same thing. I'm actually going to cancel that order.
Just because it's chopping?
Well, yeah, I don't know. I mean, yeah, I just don't, I mean, I guess I should put another rule on the rules where if I'm like vacillating a lot back and forth between longs and shorts, I probably shouldn't trade at all.
All right, so whenever I'm looking at people do charts, I always see them make these wedges.
Yeah.
And they're always doing all these shapes. Are you doing that while you're trading?
100%, yeah.
So it's like, what if there's like a downward wedge and it's like coming to a point?
Yeah.
Does it matter on the minute? Does it matter on the hour? I feel like
the crazy thing is
I always use like
technical analysis works on every time frame. So if there's a wedge on the daily or the weekly or even the monthly, it's the same as if it's on the minute.
So how long does something have to be a wedge? Like, would you consider this a wedge?
Well, no. So this is more like a downward trend line. So you see how like we come up here and we like bounce off it, and then we bounce off it again, and then we bounce off it again. So I drew this just because, like obviously like this is downward trend. So I probably wouldn't go long until we like break through this, and then when we come back and retest it on the upside, I'd go long when it comes down here and then buy. What do you think? You're going to take your first trade on a 0?
I just did.
Hey, on long or short?
Short.
All right.
And I'm going to...
Hey, that's great.
All right.
Just one contract?
I just did one, yeah.
Nice. So you got in like right somewhere on this candle, like right there. I try to mark it for the people. All right, so you're up right now, even though it's probably a little bit, right?
I'm even.
Break even?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I'll probably wait until we get, let's see, 188, 184. So if we kind of get up to the top of this candle again to retest it, I'll go short right there. Like right, 174. Come on. Come on. 190. Wow. All right. 203. Wow. Yeah, I should have just gone short right there. So you're pretty much break even right here?
Yeah.
I mean, that's a really bearish candle for you. That's good. Right. Again, like buyers pushed it up and sellers immediately pushed it down. There you go.
All right.
So you're just trading one contract, but you should be up what? I mean, that's a big candle down.
Wow. Yeah. All right. Let's see. I'm going to get out. All right, let's cash.
Nice. So how much did you make?
I think I made $45.
Wow, on one contract?
On one contract.
That's great. Nice.
Let's see, so 217.
Yeah, so you got in like right here and broke through. That's perfect. Nice.
All right, wow. Now I feel like I can actually just trade one because I'm playing with house money a little bit,
exactly.
subsidized.
All
so
right.
I'm usually not a proponent of gambling, but
yeah, I mean, well, that was a big move. Like Q's, I mean, yeah, Q's opened like almost.
The trend is the friend.
Exactly.
It's red.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's.
Yeah, you're getting a little taste for it. You know.
It is fun.
It is. It's so fun, and I mean, you can actually get good at it.
I mean, if you would have gone short from way up where you originally said.
Yeah.
I feel like that's like a.
Oh yeah.
$3,000 day.
Yeah. Yeah. Totally.
But I mean,
it's woulda, coulda, shoulda.
But yeah,
every single day, there's plenty of those.
Yeah.
And again, hesitation kills in this game, right here. Because this is like, I'm always looking just like for great risk to reward setups, and this is a great risk reward. It's like, you know, buyers are showing life right here. You have a clear stop loss below this candle. It's just, yeah. So. Of course, like we're up at the 9 again, so like if you think the trend's going to continue, then you want to go short right up in here, you know, or up into this cloud if it goes above that. So you could buy like 2 contracts short.
All right, I just went long.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Oh man, you see how like look at this? It just went right up to the 9 and rejected off of it, you know.
Yeah.
And that's why like a lot of traders, they'll wait until we break through the 9 and then come back and retest it before they go long. Like this is a pretty aggressive long right here, but you still could have made money, especially the way I trade, like in and out. Yeah, all right.
There we go. Just flipped.
248
breakthrough. Come on,
baby.
I feel like I'm watching like horse racing. There we go.
Yeah,
that's a nice candle.
That was a great one. All right. So yeah, we'll see what happens like when it comes to this resistance right here. You're up though, right?
Yeah, we're up 8%.
Nice. Yeah, that would have been a good buy. How many times have I said that in the last like 40 minutes?
I know. Why am I doing all the trades? all my profits are getting rolled into oil. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That is insane how fast that moves. That's just ridiculous.
Yeah.
11% in like 5 seconds.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right.
So, and today's a slower day. It's crazy.
Yeah, I'm trying to just decide how much to let it ride. I only have 1 contract, so it's not.
Man, I would say let it ride, bro. Let it ride.
It just busted through. 14%.
Oh, yeah. See, here you go.
Wow, 20%, just like that.
Yeah.
What's the next resistance line? Right. 30%.
Isn't that this is the beauty of it?
I mean, when it's on the upside.
Yeah.
$50 up.
So you're already up $100.
All right, I'm selling.
Don't do it. We're up. Let's see. When did you get in? Like right here?
Yeah.
On this candle, I think. Somewhere in here.
All right, I didn't do it. I'm up.
Yeah,
32%.
I mean,
what?
Honestly, like I think the next resistance is VWAP. So like we could go all the way up here theoretically.
All right. Well, I'll hold for a second. Let's see if it bounces off. All right. If it goes under the 9, I'll sell.
Yeah. See, now you're acting like a trader.
I mean,
that's perfect.
Okay.
That's the 9 or this like cloud. I mean, they're pretty much the same. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what to do right here for me. I mean, I've just been kind of chilling, but all day.
I mean,
there's been good moves to be had.
I feel like it's been a really trendy day where it's just been all down and then.
Yeah, well, we trended up at first. Like markets open, we kind of came down at first and then we went up.
Yeah.
And now I mean, usually like when we have like a kind of an up like this, and we'll see what happens right here. Okay, we're at the 9. 168. You know what? I'm just gonna go long right here.
How many contracts?
Just 3.
Okay, I'm getting out.
Yeah.
I have no idea. Let's see, 148.
Oh man.
Did you get out?
Not yet. Wow.
Big candle down.
Yeah. That's what happens sometimes.
Wait, but it's coming back a little bit.
That's hilarious that right after I say I haven't taken a loss, I just get wrecked.
You're still in?
Yeah. I should have probably sold right here, but we'll see what happens in a second. See, this is like when I would go short again, and I'm trying to get out of my long position. Yeah.
Are you still long?
No, I sold. I sold for a loss, right? It was like right here. I actually had a short teed up, but because you see how we're still like trending down.
Yeah.
We're making
shark bait.
Every time someone comes in here, I learn something. You know what? You're like, I think it's going down. I'm just going to go short. And here I am, like trying to time the perfect entry, and which means I lose. I miss out on a lot of moves, and it sucks. I was at 196. It's already at 226. That would have been $150 in one candle right here. All right, you guys. I was super lucky to have my little brother Jeff in the studio with us today in the trading room. He trades a lot different than I do, probably a smarter way. But I convinced him to be a little degenerate with me today, and he made more money than I did. I'm not sure what tomorrow's going to look like. Today was actually a trending down day, which is rare, especially in the last month or two. So we just go up always. But we'll see what happens. Love you guys. Peace.